Hi, stuck in traffic with Wolf Gorlick. Couple minutes of information security on your morning commute. Part 2 of a series of I need money, you need money, how do we make business cases? So yesterday I was talking about the compliance business case. Today I want to talk about the insurance business case. So we hear this a lot, right? So cybersecurity is your insurance policy. It protects your technology. It enables your organization to achieve its mission. You pay a little, you save a lot. Insurance business case. Pros of that is if you understand your environment very well. So let's say, for example, that the technology has a certain dollar value it's delivering to the company, and you have a certain dollar value that you can pay if the technology is unavailable, and you know the risk. You know, this is standard like ALE, SLE, single loss expectancy, annual loss expectancy calculations. You can multiply it, you can say how much dollar value is at risk, and you can take a portion of that and apply it to your budget. Great way to justify budget, right? Because you're actually protecting dollars. Another good way to use insurance business cases for people who are paying insurance. So we know that you're paying X dollars right now for fire insurance, business insurance, everything else. Let's pay a similar amount of money for protecting your technology. They already get it. They're already thinking that way. Good way to approach it. Cons. Where to begin? Much like the compliance business case, number one con is, when was the last time you said, hey, Allstate, State Farm, wherever it may be, I love you guys. I want to give you more money. You're doing a great job protecting my car. Not going to happen. Problem with insurance business case number one is much like the compliance business case. Every year they're going to want to lower your budget. Every year they're going to want to cut those fees and reduce the amount of money you have to protect the organization. Number two, good question that they may ask is, and this relates to that, how do I know that I have enough insurance? How do I know I'm not paying too much or too little? Well, if you really have the ALE and SLE and those calculations, because you've done a business impact analysis, you're like, yeah, I can tell you that. I've got this. This is good. The reality is probably you don't. Most organizations don't have time to do that, have the insight to do that. There's not good data in terms of what the outage will cost. Business impact takes a long time. I know very, very few organizations that have successfully pulled that off. So number one, insurance always gets cut. Number two, it's difficult to know if you're insuring the right amount. And those are the main areas of concern there. And number three is just getting that data right. You're not an insurance company, and that sets you up for, well, if we're not paying money to you, we could pay it to a real insurance company. Enter the cybersecurity insurance industry, who will just happily take your money. Then you're competing with insurance companies who are telling you, everything's fine, just give us a couple dollars. Chances are they're going to insure that company for a lot less than you're going to pay to protect it. Fun fact about that, just real quick, if you do find yourself in that situation, some cybersecurity breach complaints, claims rather, have been dropped. They've been dropped because due diligence was not performed. So just because you have insurance does not mean you're out of the weeds. You still need to be doing the basics, which means they still need to be investing in a security program. All right, that's it. Insurance in a nutshell. Take care.